After the release of Asian Pro, developers worldwide create innovative apps. Apple glasses integrate advanced eye tracking tech, allowing users to interact through eye control and gestures. Compared to traditional controllers, Vision Pro abandons controllers, using eye tracking and gesture recognition as the basic interaction method. Like the mouse in the computer era and multi-touch in the smartphone era, it's of epoch-making significance. However, in daily life, like in public environments, there may be concerns about privacy leakage with voice recognition, while gesture recognition may seem edgy. Without social norms, wearing Vision Pro in places like subways might seem awkward, including airports, restaurants, and libraries. In public settings, a convenient, elegant, comfortable, and private way of text input is needed. In the 2017 movie Kingsman: The Golden Circle, a technology showcased swift and discrete text input using eye movements. Perhaps eye tracking for character input is an ideal technical solution. Greetings to everyone, I am Tao, a developer deeply involved in the field of eye tracking interaction. My objective is to provide a comfortable, convenient, and efficient method of inputting through eye tracking swipe. Allow me to introduce the eye tracking swipe input method that we have developed. Currently, I am attempting to input the phrase "Hello World" using eye interaction. The circular layout eye tracking swipe input method consists of an inner ring and an outer ring, with the outer ring containing character keys and the inner ring housing the text preview box and function keys. The reason for this design is that the circular layout better aligns with the field of vision, the distance between eye jumps is more uniform, and it can also reduce accidental triggers during the eye tracking swipe input process. Leave the inner ring functional area as empty as possible, providing a buffer zone for eye movement interaction during brief moments of contemplation. At the same time, users can also observe their surroundings through the control area of the inner ring. More importantly, in further enhancing the accuracy and speed of eye tracking swipe input method in the future, such key layout can help optimize the trajectory features of gaze points, improving accuracy and predictive capabilities through AI recognition of trajectories. During the input process, when encountering consecutive repeated letters, we are able to achieve comfortable input of repeated letters by utilizing a dynamically changing independent key mechanism for enhanced user experience. Limited by the computing power and eye tracking sensor accuracy of HoloLens 2, there is eye movement delay. If a high-performance platform similar to Apple's Micro Up Pro could be tested, there would be hope. The efficiency, accuracy, and comfort of this eye tracking swipe input method are at a higher level. Compared to text input methods using gesture recognition and voice recognition, the eye tracking swipe input method with a circular key layout has the advantages of being time-saving, effortless, convenient, and highly private. In scenarios involving short text input, such as typing brief responses in search boxes using eye movements, swipe input is one of the best technological solutions. Its relative drawback lies in its unsuitability for long text input, as prolonged use of eye movement interaction can easily lead to eye fatigue and dryness, making physical keyboards indispensable in office settings requiring long text input. The overall eye tracking swipe input method demonstrated in the video ahead. We submitted the technology framework for this invention patent in the year 2020 and officially obtained the patent authorization in the month of February of this year. If you are interested in this technology, or if there is room for collaboration, please feel free to contact me.